Hello and welcome back to my course Python Programming A to Z. How you set computers to work for you. Working in IT industry, basically a lot of what we do boils down to using computer to perform a certain task. So let's see. Process automation is a use of technology to automate business processes, to sequentially transition from one task to the next with minimal human intervention. This is the automation process automation definition. So, how we can achieve this? So, what we are going to learn in this course, how to set your computers to work for you, examples of it, and definitely there would be the assessment at the end of this section for you as well. So let's say like that. For examples, your daily life, in your job, you might create user accounts, configure the network, install software, backing up existing data, or execute a whole range of other computer-based tasks from day to day. So if we say some the starting of the jobs, basically where I can come into the work and type the some commands to authenticate my account and just get logged in into the system. On the gate, I just get before that the login system. I just need to enter into the my office. There are some machines which are recognizing me, and then I get into the enter into the system. So those credentials time it every day by design for security reasons. So there are some automated tools or the softwares which maintain it by themselves. So the teams which are monitoring all these activities, they basically uh, managing it on day-to-day basis. There are another example. Suppose you are hiring some team or the visitors visiting you on a both in a hiring exhibition. So you want to screen the candidate and just make them unique, their email address to sort them out, and sending the newsletters or emails to those specific visitors and avoid the duplications. So automation of these processes help you to spend your time on some more valuable step, and that just these routine tasks will be performed by computer automatically. And there are many more. A lot of automation examples are available which you can build the scripts or the softwares which used by computer and automate all the processes. Let's see the example. Like you have a booth and some visitor come to visit to you, and then just discuss, and you are managing and collecting the data from them. Here you need to manage the unique visitors data, like first name, last name, name, and the name. So it will be the email addresses must be unique, and avoid to sending the duplicate emails, newsletters to the same user, the same one to the same user twice. So here the scripts can help you. And so how you can achieve all this? So you can write the script for small tasks, build the software to automate the manual business process, and achieve this. So what are the your processes you want to automate? I want to automate all my routine jobs. So what you want to automate? So what things you think that can be possibly for automation? There would be the some available screen where you can provide your input, and also the quiz will be there for you, and we will provide you the interface, your hopes for automation. So thank you. I hope you enjoy this lecture. I'll be back with next lecture, but for now.